Ah, where's the pool? Oh!
Welcome to our house.
Why that?
Ito, cleaner. Oh, just stand up, ha?
Just stand up.
Wow! Pretty.
Roller.
Dad, hello.
No. We're gonna buy Eloise. Ha?
Para magutom. Look, show it, ma'am. Show to mommy. Wow, show the dog's face, just like Eloise' dog. Beautiful. Put it on the grocery.
Eloise snake.
Ayan na yung platuhan, Dad. Yung spoon and...
Malaki to.
Ah, iba yan. The basket.
I am sure.
Ayan, may plates din, Dad. Oh. Plate 69.
Teka, pan-toddler ba to? Ano? Yun ang kailangan ko malaman.
Try it. Oh, put in on the ano. Put one.
I'm gonna go on the elevator.
Oh, ganda nito, oh. Lalagyan ng toys. Ayan, oh. Ang lalim, oh. Gusto mo to? Lagayan ng toys mo? You like that? Hairy. Ito yung chair mo, oh, anak. This one, the purple one. Daddy, 4,000. Hindi ba yun? Ang laki, oh.
Sarap pa yun dito. Magkano na lang to?
Ito, hanggang dito, 4,000.
May supporter siya dito.
Pero 3 years old na siya. Kaya niya. Ayo.
Why this?
Ay, gusto ko yan. Para pagkaluwa niya. Pagkaluwa ng food niya. Ay, mas maganda to, ate. Itlog, oh. Oh, go in the circle.
Nilagay lang yata. Parang dinamitan.
Mamut din yan, eh. Mamut kasi yung chair niya.
I'm gonna do.
You're rocking.
I saw.
Yeah, a giraffe. O, Daddy will hold naman.
A bee? What's inside? There's a... Ano? Ano bang tawag dito, Dad?
Ladybug.
No, si Timon.
Timon.
Timon and Pumbaa.
I like that.
A bee. For your room.
No.
Maybe this one? A black monkey? Oo. Ah! You want? Not.
Where's that?
Ayan yung lagayan.
Yung mataas, no?
Oo.
Yung pag nila.
At,
Yan, real to yan.
ba't hindi nagagalaw?
Gagalaw yan, no? Ano po?
Dinikit. Ang ganda ng lantern light, oh. Ay, Daddy, ang ganda nito.
Kakao space.
Ay, ganon.
Ito, bedroom na yan. Kakao pala.
Ha? It's a bunk bed. That's a pink room for the girl. I like this. Ay, ang ganda nito. May salamin lang. Ganda, no? Saka, ano, maganda yung quality. Open? What's inside? There's a shower room. Inside the house. I love this house.
Do you like your house?
Yeah. But here, kunwari you're still a baby, With the snake. Oh, there's a snake on your bed. What's hiding on the baby's bed? You find. Where's the snake?
I want to keep you. I'll keep you.
It's a door for the next room. Yeah.
Upo mo lang kaya tayo.
That's your chair. You're assembling your chair.
Put the top first here. Okay. 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 Okay.
Yun na, ilok. It's about to, ano na, mali yung isang drawer sa baba. Yay! Confetti! Ayun, doon tayo doon lalabas. Sige, sa gitna. Tulog na. Ay, going up. Going up yan. Going down tayo, di ba? 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ilang floor lang ba to?
Oo, kasi first malapit na checkouts nakalagay dito. Continue straight. Ang gusto ko yung heart na mirror. I love it. Bango. Ayun, at last. Checkouts. We're here. Pwede ka ng cashier.
59.
Ito. Spoon, fork, and knife. Pwede ng cashier.
Oh.
Okay.
3.
Tama po. Pababa tayo.
This is what called walkalator.
A walkalator.
Ito pwede na ko ah. North Park.
Oo.
Yun na tayo.
Where's the Philippine flag? It's a, you know, IKEA is from Sweden. That's a country.
Wow.
Bye-bye, IKEA.